I'll show you how to make these watercolor cards using the BetterPress system from Spellbinders coming up next on Catherine Paper Art. So in today's video, I am making a BetterPress card and I'm using the Spellbinders BP010. Well, it doesn't seem to have a name. Oh, it does. Diamond Aviary. And I like the bird, so I was hoping this would be small enough to do a 4-bar card, but it's not. The overall dimension is bigger than a 4-bar, so a regular A2 card is what it's going to be. You could go larger, but that's what I'm making, is a regular A2 card. And I will also be using the detailed cutting dies, the Essential Diamonds from Spellbinders. And for coloring, I am using the Holtz Distress Watercolor pencils, watercolor woodless pencils. And these are new to me. So I've run off a bunch of these, and I'm going to be coloring the bird blue, as the state bird of Massachusetts is a bluebird, so he's going to be a bluebird. So I'm going to start coloring, and I'll do that off camera and be right back. So I've finished the first card, and I colored it to be dogwood flowers on a tree, and I added a little bling. The second one, I'm not sure that I'm not finished with it. I haven't really embellished it, and I don't really have any sentiments on these yet. I was going to use thank you sentiments, and incredibly on this BetterPress, a little message sentiments. The only thanks they have is thanks for being you, and that's not really appropriate for what I want. And the other set of sentiments is equally insufficient. It's thanks a million. I just wanted a thank you. So I am going to have to just stamp one out, I guess. But for the third card, I am going to just mat it straight onto this panel and pop it up with maybe some dimensional tape, foam tape, or I might just direct glue it to the card. So I'll choose some sentiments and be right back. That's a completed look at the cards. I decided to go with this a little message to say, like a little birdie told me, and then put the thank you message inside, which I'll stamp. And that's the same for all of these. I haven't stamped it yet, obviously, but this card opens traditionally to the left. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please hit the like button.